Meet Jane. She's in her 50s, but you'd never guess it just by looking at her. In fact, she looks 10 years younger than her actual age. What's her secret? It's all thanks to a simple herb that you probably already have in your kitchen: parsley. That's right. Parsley isn't just a garnish on your plate. It's a powerful herb that's loaded with health benefits, including anti-aging properties. Here are just a few of the ways that parsley can help you look and feel younger. First, parsley is rich in antioxidants that can help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. This can help prevent premature aging and keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. Second, parsley can be used topically to improve the health of your skin. You can make a simple parsley mask by blending parsley with honey and applying it to your face. This can help to soothe inflammation, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and leave your skin looking brighter and more even-toned. Third, parsley can be added to your diet to help support overall health and well-being. It's packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, and potassium. You can add parsley to your smoothies, salads, and soups for a nutritious boost. Finally, parsley can be used to make a delicious and refreshing tea. Simply steep a few sprigs of parsley in hot water and enjoy. This can help to boost your immune system, improve digestion, and even freshen your breath. So there you have it. Parsley is the key to unlocking a youthful and healthy you. Try incorporating more of this amazing herb into your diet and beauty routine, and you too can look and feel younger than ever before.